What impact do assets have when hiring an attorney in a high net worth divorce? Attorney David Bliven explains. For starters, if you don't have substantial income, well over $100,000, or assets over $1 million, then you may not be considered a high net worth case. Regarding the assets, you also want to look at whether they are simple or complicated. A typical family may own a house, have retirement assets, have particular investment vehicles, and if it's not all that complicated, then perhaps an average divorce attorney can handle the case. That said, the more complicated the investments or retirement, then an attorney who is particularly skilled in those issues will most likely need to be hired, especially if somebody owns a business or professional practice. A client should interview their potential attorneys along the lines of how many high net worth divorces they have done. Do they have any particular qualifications that would essentially aid them in a high net worth divorce case? For example, in New York and a few other states, the American Academy of Certified Financial Litigators, or CFL, is a designation a growing number of attorneys, including myself, have. Attorneys with the CFL designation specialize in divorce work with high net worth or high income divorces. The certification demonstrates that the attorney has studied extensively and, at the end of the study, has taken a relatively rigorous examination to get their certification. Having this certification indicates the attorney has a particular specialized knowledge in the financial field, which would come into play in a complicated scenario as outlined earlier. In all matters, we strive for resolution. Yet if no agreement can be reached through negotiation or mediation, we will thoroughly prepare for trial. We tailor our representation to meet the needs of your case.